one of those people that thinks meal planning isn't for you? Are you curious how to brown an onion, or how you can cook a chicken once and eat 3 times? Well, I'm here to show you how to meal plan with success week over week, because no matter how much time you have, no matter how much money you have, or no matter how good of a cook you think you are, I can show you how to meal plan with success. I'm Bianca. I'm a professionally trained chef and meal planning educator, and with my upcoming video cookbook, I'm going to show you how to cook once and eat many times. I'm going to show you how to make dynamic, delicious sauces, and I'm also going to make you itemized, organized, categorized grocery lists. In the meantime, while we wait for the video cookbook to be done, I want you to download Meal Planning 101, which is a webinar that is going to show you how to sew up some of those time leaks in your meal planning process now, today, so that when the video cookbook launches, you are ready to go. Because like I said, no matter how much time you have, no matter how much skill you think you have, or no matter how much money you have, meal planning is for you, for me, for everyone. So what are you going to do? You're going to download Meal Planning 101. You're going to watch. You're going to soak up all the goodness. And second, you're going to keep your eyes peeled for the video cookbook with Bianca.